Let's do a haul, shall we?
Waking up feeling like it's gonna rain. It's sunny out, but it just comes in waves. When you ask me if I'm okay, I don't have a lot to say. Can't tell you something I do not know.
I was shopping from H&M since the past 4-5 months, like before April, obviously. And मैंने काफी चीजें मंगा ली थी, so I divided the haul into two parts. So for the first one, I've already shown you all the top wear pieces that I got, and now today I'll show you different bottom wear, some dresses, blazers. Like I got a bunch of really excited things. Let's start with the piece that I'm wearing right here. Now this is a dress. It is called a flounce dress, and I got this for $6.99 only. I got this at sale, and I got this in the size 14. Now normally my size is like either 10 or 12, so 14 is like a bigger size for me. You can see here for yourself कि कितना loose है, but I don't know, I don't have like such a big problem with it. I think I can like style it in different ways. I can wear it like this in a very casual style, or I can belt it up. यहाँ पे belt लगा के I can cinch it in and बहुत cute सा effect आ जाएगा. So I think I can work with it. I really love the fabric of this dress. It's very lightweight and it feels so good, and पहनने में it is super comfortable. So I cannot stop twirling in it. Like I love the playfulness, the playful vibe of this dress, and I just feel so happy wearing it. I think this is one of those clothing pieces that when you just put it on, it instantly makes your mood better. Like, is it just me or that happens with you also? Next I got another dress, and again even this one is in black, and इसका नाम is just basic v-neck dress. That's it. Like it's all there in the name. Got a lot of buttons at the front. Like it is fully buttoned नीचे तक, and इसका fabric is very soft. This is like such a flowy fabric. I just love the fabric. I think it is a very good piece to wear during summer especially. I wish I could get this in more colors. So I actually even styled this once. I wore it out. I went to my friend's house, तो मैंने इसको बहुत basic रखा था with this dress and I think a pair of flats and a bag on the side, and the look was giving me very Korean, like very Korean vibes, Korean inspired outfit समझ लो. Again I got this for $6.99 and I'm pretty sure ये भी मुझे sale पे ही मिला था, and I bought this in the size L. Wearing a blazer instantly makes you feel like a boss lady. Like it's like you are just there to conquer the world, and I just love this vibe. So this one is their double breasted blazer. I got this for $22.99, and that is its original price. Sale पे नहीं मिला मुझे, and I got this in this light beige color. Now this one is available in a lot of different colors. This was one of the most inexpensive blazer on H&M, and I think it is worth every penny. I just love the feel of it. I love how like it is structured, yet it's not very formal. So I can wear it with jeans, I can wear it with dresses, I can dress it up and wear it with pants. Like I can pair this, like play around with it in multiple ways. Only complaint that I have, and that is again a complaint from the brand, that the pockets that they have given in this ना, तो ये यहाँ पे सिर्फ stitched है, ऐसे एक notch type का है. That's it. I cannot put my hands in it, and that is actually like, that is so disappointing, guys. At least give us pocket. Also a spoiler alert for the future, you are going to see me a lot more in blazers because I am obsessed. Moving on to an item which is in one of my favorite colors of the season, and like, can you even guess the color? If you can, tell me in the comments. And I've actually showed this in a video once. I styled this with a white shirt, and it's these sage pants. I am in love with sage green, and I saw them and I had to get them. Like there was no question there. So they are straight fit pants, and they're cropped at the bottom. I actually don't own a lot of straight fit jeans. I'm mostly into mom jeans, and these days I'm really buying a lot of wide leg jeans. So there's a little backstory with these pants. I think I bought them in February end पे, and almost all my bottom wears मैं H&M से 42 में मंगाती हूँ. So obviously I got them also in 42, and when I got them, I tried them on. They were tight on me. They were not exactly tight, but they were fitting up in a very weird way. So I had to exchange it and get it in 44, and 44 wala fits me quite nicely. So I don't understand, like there is so much inconsistency with some products in these brands. Now the pants are for $14.99, and I think they are worth every penny. If you like this color, if you wanted to get some colored pants, especially in straight fit, I would say आँख बंद करके get it because the material, like the fabric is really good, the fit is really nice. It is super trendy and I'm pretty sure like you will wear it for a long time. These are available in a bunch of other colors as well. They're available in a very light shade of pink, which again I want to buy because I love that shade, and they're even available in white. I think a lot of you always ask me na mere white pants ka alternative. I think even these can be a really good alternative. So if you're looking for such kind of pants, like definitely go for them. I just love them. Next I got 3 pair of shorts. First one are these black high-rise twill shorts, and guys, I am in love with this particular pair of shorts. They are like, everything about them is perfect. These are one of the best fitted shorts that I own. I'm not even kidding. I just love the fitting of these, and I styled them with this really cute pink crop top that I got from Street Style store. Also, as usual, all the links of everything that I'm wearing in this video will be there in the description bar, so don't forget to check it out. So I got them for $7.99. That is their original price. Sale mein nahi mila tha, and I bought these in size 42. Now the same pair of shorts I got in another color. I saw them in sage green and I had to get them, so I bought them. But again, I will bring up my inconsistency in size wala point. जो सेज ग्रीन वाले थे मैंने सेम 42 में मंगाए थे. एवरीथिंग वाज सेम अबाउट देम, बट दे वर टाइट ऑन मी एंड दीज वंस आर नॉट. दे आर लाइक फिटिंग मी क्वाइट नाइसली. आपने ऑलरेडी ट्राई ऑन में देख लिया है. द फैब्रिक वाज सेम, राइज भी सही था, जस्ट द फिटिंग वाज नॉट गुड, एंड ऑल्सो द इवन द शेड वाज लुकिंग रियली वियर्ड. आई मीन इवन दे वर लाइक अ सिमिलर शेड ऑफ ग्रीन एज द पैंट्स, लाइक द हाई राइज पैंट्स, बट वो बहुत अलग लग रहा था एंड दे जस्ट डिड नॉट लुक गुड. सो आई थॉट कि रिटर्न इट. $7.99 का है. आई गेट माई मनी बैक एंड आई कैन buy like something else, कुछ ऐसा जो मुझे पसंद आए. So obviously I had already sent it back, but मैंने उसका footage रख लिया था just to show you and like give you a heads up if you're interested in buying them. Then I personally did not like it and मेरे को shade उसका बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं आया. Now this is their denim shorts mom fit, like you know my obsession with mom fit, and I got them in this light denim blue. Again I don't own any light denim shorts, and ये मैंने again 42 पे लिया है, just like all my other bottom wear. Now this one was originally for 1500, but I got some sort of members reward and मेरे को 1049 का पड़ा, so that was exciting. So this is how I styled these shorts. I paired this with the same top and then put on this blazer on top of it, and well, I am here for this look. I must say that the build and the quality of these shorts is pretty good. These are super high-waisted. I mean, I just love the rise of them. Okay, so real talk, I used to be really conscious about my body. I still am, but I think I've gotten a lot better. And the only reason I don't wear like these fitted denim shorts is because I feel like they don't look good on me. My thighs are very big, and I think like they just accentuate that more, brings more focus onto that, which is the only reason I deprived myself from wearing these like really hot shorts. But now, like with each day, I am trying to embrace it more, as I just said. So please be comfortable in your body. Your body is what is keeping you alive. You have to embrace it, whatever your size may be, whatever your number may be, that does not matter. So please try, wear whatever you want. जो कपड़ा पहना है पहनो. If you want to wear short clothes, wear them. Like even if you feel uncomfortable, try to wear it. Try to bring the change. If you don't want to wear them, then we respect your choice. Do not wear them. But just the reason that you're not wearing them should not be that you don't feel comfortable in your body. Please don't be like that. Please embrace your body. Also, how cute is this color combination? Like this pink with blue. Looks so good. Another mom jeans. Surprise, surprise. What I really liked about these ones in particular is that they're not a typical mom jeans जो कि मेरे पास पहले से है. Like most of the mom jeans that I own are quite loose, so the oversized fit में, but these ones are very fitted. I love this shade of denim. I think it's very different. You don't usually get it, and I actually did not have anything in this shade, so मुझे तो बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आया है. Again, I got them in 42, and these were for $19.99. So let me try one thing. Wait, I think that this blazer will look good with these jeans as well. Let me just put it on and see them. See. Oh my god, I love this blazer and these jeans and this entire fit together. Wait, let me see. Oh my god, I love this fit. Obsessed. Your girl is obsessed. Now the question of the day is, what is your favorite color? Like tell me in the comments your favorite color. And yes, that's it. Bye guys. Subscribe करना मत भूलना and make sure you're taking care of your mental health. Bye. Also, did I tell you it's my birthday soon? It's my birthday on 9th. Okay, bye.